Come let me show you how I get these gorgeous Hollywood waves in just 8 minutes. And you already know, Moyoko is my brand of choice. I can't wait to show you how I style my hair and get ready for my business meeting just in 8 minutes. Now I'm a girl's girl, I'm going to get you in on my secrets on how to get shiny. Smoothing shampoo from Mycro Keratin and the extreme capsule repair and hydrating mask. Hair prep with my favorite Moyoko products. We all need a little heat protector. The Magic Mist contains hyaluronic acid, protects against heat, tangles and humidity, and smells absolutely delicious. Now for the main character. I'm on my way to a business meeting and I have literally a few minutes to do my hair. And now I'm here to style my hair in literally 10 minutes because I need to get out of here. I can use my heat protective glove, but I don't mind burning my hair. So, I mean my hands, not my hair. So I'm literally just going to take pieces in between and go. Ooh, child. This is literally taking seconds for me to do and I don't have time to waste. So, let's get bourgeois curls in like not even 10 minutes. Literally just half of my head. I'm going to take down the rest and let's see what. 3 strands, guys. 3 strands, nothing. This thing is really hot and it goes up to 210. This is why I believe in Moyoko. Moyoko creates things that is so easy and convenient for everybody. I haven't done any separation. I just tied my hair up, half down. And I'm getting the perfect Hollywood waves. All in a matter of seconds. Ah! I'm so excited. Look at that shine. Can we... This is not a lie, okay? I do not plug you with things that you do not need to be plugged with. But this is an investment of note. How can one not be happy with their products? How can you not be happy with Moyoko's products? I don't even know if I want to brush it out. I'm so tempted. And I could even like style it. Oh. What I'm going to do is I'll do it one brush so that you can see what it is giving. Guys, Hollywood waves in a matter of 8 minutes. That's all I did. No separation, just 8 minutes. I have a tendency to do this with my hair and it just falls all together. I'm so ready for my meeting.
Shake your ass.